What's
As
up,
for your
guys?
goal,
Welcome back.
here's the situation
Hey, I'm gonna be
around
doing
here.
something a little different today.
After the PK commander was
Since these are
murdered,
kind
they
of
blocked the route to
harder
the
to make
center.
for me,
They're trying to
I
keep the
might
killer
just do
from
the whole
escaping.
series no commentary. So I'm
To
gonna
get
do
to
this episode no
Fisheye,
commentary.
we
See
have
if you
to
guys like
outrun
it.
them.
Also,
But I know when they change the night guard. That will be our chance.
if this gameplay don't look
Gonna
like
get the
it's
stuff we
together,
need for the passage.
that's because I lost some of the
I have
recordings.
to
There's nothing
suss
I
out
can do
our
about that.
odds. Meantime,
Also, for some
take a
reason, it
look
doesn't
around.
seem like anything matches
Live
up
a
with what
little.
they're saying. So you guys kind of deal with that. I'm
Come
sorry
on.
about that.
Let me show
But
you
yeah,
something.
hopefully, I get a PC in like July, August. It should be a lot better. But for now, if we're doing like a lot big stories like this, I might just do no commentary. It kind of makes it easier. So yeah,
Here,
guys, enjoy the video.
you'll
See you
need
later.
these. Take a look around the city. Old Villedor. Plenty of interesting spots to check out. You see the church? That's where the Howlers were after us. It's the center of the district. You can find notice boards with missing people around the city. One of them is near the church. Maybe somehow you'll find something about your sister there. And if not, just have fun. The world's already ended, right? How could things get any worse? I'll be back in touch when I've got a handle on things. Hope there are no surprises. It's getting dark. They are about to wake up. Quickly, open the chest. In return, we'll get your biomarker. Fuck. Thieves.
Wait.
No, leave it. Mess up that lock and everything's fucked anyway.
Enough for a biomarker?
Where'd you get that? I've been all over this city more than most, but even I haven't seen working GRE equipment for years.
I can't say much, but a former GRE scientist, Dylan, gave it to me. A guy named Waltz killed him. And before he died, Dylan gave me the key to keep it from Waltz. Contains important information, apparently. I hope to find out more at the Fisheye.
We'll have to see, won't we? Fuck me. We took too long. Plan B. Run like hell.
Okay.
We need to find the UV lamp. The bazaar. We can make it. Follow me, quick. They're close. Go on. Over there, toward the light. Can you hear that? We're almost there. A bit further. Open up! Hello! Stand in the light.
Hakon,
Come on! Open up now!
Hakon, a howler's coming.
Biomarkers.
There's no time. We've got the howler on our asses.
Biomarkers.
Didn't you hear? Behind us!
I said biomarkers.
Here.
And his?
He's with me.
I have to see his biomarker.
Let us just inside the door at
I
least.
need to see his biomarker.
How about some electronics, huh? Fucker! Open up! Oh. You piece of...
Hakon, it's calling its
We need
friends.
to get to Killian. There's no time. Run, Aiden! Quick! They almost got us. Don't look back. Run! Faster! There's more and more of them, Aiden. Not far now. We'll be safe there. Killian, it's me. Open up.
We're friends here, huh?
Killian, keep them busy. Killian, fuck, Killian, come on. Killian, trip over my body this morning and get killed. Asshole! Stop that! Open the fuck up! Come on, Killian! Open the fuck up! You pay for this one day!
Shit, there's a lot of them.
Open the fuck up! Open the fuck up!
Oh, he did it.
I doubt we're done. Trouble loves company.
Hakon, get us in there!
I'm trying. Killian, I know you're there.
Is that all of them?
I think so. Help me.
We're so fucked.
God damn it, Killian. Should have waited a while longer.
Almost did. Didn't want to clean your guts off my doorstep in the morning. They've left, sulking you.
Oh, come on, stop being such a bastard already. Look at this.
Where did you... That's rare.
Invite us in, or it'll get even more rare.
And who is this?
I'm a pilgrim.
Haven't been here long, have you? How did you get into town?
I'll tell you everything, just let us in.
I waited for a pilgrim once. He was supposed to... Ah, forget it, doesn't matter anymore. What are you up to, Hakon, huh?
I gave him an inhibitor. He survived.
Are you mad?
He needs a biomarker.
Don't have one.
Bullshit.
Seriously.
Motherfucker. The hospital, then. I was hoping to avoid it.
Always looking for an easy way, huh, Hakon?
I just need a UV lamp.
I'll come back for you. Hold tight.
Hakon, why you helping him, huh?
Remember when we used to help people?
Me? Sure. But I doubt you do.
Stay here and rest by the lamp. Don't listen to that dumbass.
Idiot. We used to help people, remember? Sure, I remember, you moron. A fucking cabby and a mother of mercy all in one. Because you can cook. Everyone around you said that's what you should do, cook. But no. You wanted something else. Higher fucking causes. And you could just... cook.
You and Hakon, you known each other long?
Too long.
What did he mean when he said that you used to help people?
We served together in a special... doesn't matter, ancient history.
Biomarkers. Why are they so hard to get?
Because they're complicated devices. Hell, the factories...
Eddie, come on! Eddie, Babaden! Eddie!
Mia?
Eddie, where are you?
That's a bad idea, Mia.
If it was a good one, it wouldn't be fun.
What are you doing? Mia, not on the wall.
Stop talking and give me your hand.
Aiden. Everything okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Talk to me.
This hospital. I've been in one like this before.
A GRE facility. Well, there are a few of them around the city.
I'm having these memories. The person I'm looking for is Mia. She's my sister. I told you about Waltz before.
Mention something. Yeah.
I don't know. It's all mixed up in my head.
You suppressed the memory. Like I did of my third wife. Look, I'm sure the infection ain't helping. Chin up. We'll find the marker and clear out. Let's go.
Yeah, thanks. Sleeping Beauties.
Yeah, we have to walk past them. If you crouch and move slowly, they shouldn't notice you. Get too close, and you're done for. You probably know that already.
I do, yeah. That?
Chemicals. Nasty shit. When they lost control of the virus, the GRE started spraying the whole city with that filth. Worked out great for them, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, this guy you told me about, what was his name? Waltz?
Yes.
Why did you mention him?
Because I remember he was doing some kind of experiment.
He wasn't the only one doing them. There were more cities like Villador, with walls cut off from the rest of the world. Many people were working toward a vaccine, Aiden. But the world is full of shitheads. All right. Be careful. It's not stable. Come on.
I guess so.
Can you climb up?
Sure, just give me a sec.
Hurry. We're running out of time.
I can't make it.
Wait. I've got an idea. Remember the cocktail I served you earlier at the girls' workshop?
Inhibitors.
Exactly. You fell to the first floor. There's some GRE storage down there. Look for white, green crates. Inhibitors should be inside. If you take another dose, you should get your strength back.
We got company. Volatile.
Don't move. You can handle that.
I know. I've seen this fucker. I ran off.
Try to go around it somehow. Aiden, hurry. If that infected finds you, you're dead.
Aiden, but Aiden, quick! This way to the kitchen. We'll eat all the ice cream they hid from us.
I'm scared, Mia.
Yeah, me too. And I'm younger. Don't be a chicken, Edie.
What if the doctor sees us?
He won't. Besides, he'd have to catch us too. Come on, don't back out now.
Don't be a chicken, 80.
Inhibitor container nearby.
took the inhibitor.
Fantastic. Go back to the elevator. I'm waiting.
Hello? Hakon? Hakon!
Hurry. I found the markers. Let's hustle, Aiden. You were gone a while. How are you feeling?
I'm infected, but good to go.
Yeah, that's great. Sorry about this.
What? Sorry about what?
About that. On behalf of all its whores, bandits, and idiots, I christen you a citizen of Villedor. You're about to turn. Get into the light fast. Run! Told you! They were speedy motherfuckers! That was close. Oh, what would you do without me, Pilgrim? Huh?
I never wanted to become a pilgrim. I just sort of fell into it. Roamed the country for another reason entirely. I'm looking for my sister.
And then what?
And then,
What will you do once you find your sister?
haven't thought about that.
Well, that's odd.
Well, there'll be time for that, once I find her.
Once you find her. Well, I have a very specific plan.
You look like someone with a specific plan.
I'd like to live by the ocean. You know, it's supposed to be easier there. I always wanted to learn how to surf.
What, you find a bunch of old postcards or something?
Don't laugh at my dreams, man. I know one thing. I have to get out of this city. It's killing me, right from the inside. Will you help me?
The ocean's a long way from here. And we're both infected. People don't want pilgrims for their neighbors.
Fuck people. I will help you with them. And you can help me survive on the road. You know the routes. You know how to survive out in the open. What do you think? We cover each other's asses. How does that sound?
Okay, let's do it.
Awesome. Deal. You won't regret this, Aiden. I promise.